We're fixing to make the Chicken Taco Avocado entree for your family. We're gonna take that chicken that we chopped up earlier. These are different ingredients that were on the recipe that you're gonna be able to find online. It was a store-bought jar. It has black beans, it has corn, it has chives, it has green chilies. We're gonna add some fresh cilantro to it, and then we're gonna add the grated cheese. We're gonna mix this together, and then I'm gonna show you how to pull out the avocados and how to stuff these. And while we're broiling them, we will make the delicious salad dressing that goes with them. You have to put the blade in at the top, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna drive it in, and then you're gonna wanna slide it around very carefully and slowly with precision, all right? And then you're gonna twist it, and then you're gonna have your avocado seed on the inside. You just take your knife very carefully, tap it, and it comes right out, just like that. It's very easy. And I'm gonna scoop them out, and this way you've got a taco shell that you're not gonna eat, but it actually holds your food for you. Okay, now you're gonna smash this up because we're gonna make the dressing out of these avocados, and we're gonna stuff those shells. So it's pretty simple. You take the stuffing that we made and put it into your beautiful taco shell, and you're gonna place these all on a cookie sheet. And now we're gonna garnish them with some cheese, and just a little bit, because remember, every bit that you add to a recipe adds calories and fat. And we're gonna pop these in the oven, and we're gonna broil them and melt that cheese and warm up that chicken and make it nice and savory. It has 1 cup of light ranch dressing, and if you can do fat-free dressing everywhere that you can cut, you should cut. And then you're gonna do fresh squeezed lime. And then you're gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper to it. And then you're gonna stir it up nicely. So we're gonna go check on our tacos in the oven, and we're gonna dress them. They are hot and fresh right out of the oven. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plate these, and then I'm going to put the dressing and the cilantro on top of them. Y'all haven't seen it, but I have washed my hands hundreds of times, changed my cutting board, because when you deal with chicken, you wanna make sure that you use a separate kind of cutting board so that you don't get salmonella. And then this beautiful dressing that we made, it's almost like a really savory guacamole. And you just put a little dab on the top. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's a healthy, nutritious, well-balanced meal for your whole family. And it's beautifully plated, so when you sit down, I'm sure you'll hear the cheers of the family, and they'll feel like they've done something special for themselves, and a healthier way of eating brings for healthier lives.